keep talking about adding math facts, right? So we've talked about 10 frames, number lines, right? We've talked about using our fingers to count up. We've talked about open blank number lines, doubles and doubles plus 1 and doubles plus 2. We've talked about lots of ways to add math facts. So we're going to start with Annie and Moby about making 10, because if we can find buddies of 10, that'll help us out. All right. Now that it's dark in here. Ooh. All right.
What is 8 plus 2? You can start at 8 and count on 2. Right, Moby, the sum is 10. 10, that's today's secret number. What are ways to make 10? There are different combinations of numbers that make 10. Let's see. I start with 0, but if I add 10 counting cubes, I'll have a total of 10. I can write an addition sentence to show what happened. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. I have 1 cube, and I can add on 9 more to make 10. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Now I have 2 cubes, and I can add on 8 more to make 10. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. There are 3 cubes, and I can add on 7 more to make 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. I have 4 cubes, and I can add on 6 more to make 10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now there are 5 cubes. I can add on 5 more to make 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. That's a doubles fact. Let's see. There are 6 cubes, so I can add 4 more to make 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. I have 7 cubes, and I can add on 3 more to make 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now I see 8 cubes, and I can add on 2 more to make 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. I've got 9 cubes, and I can add on 1 cube to make 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now I have 10 cubes. Since I already have 10 cubes, I don't have to add more to get 10. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Hey, I see a pattern. When one addend goes up by 1, the other goes down by 1. How can knowing combinations of 10 help you to add? When I first learned to add, I counted on my fingers and used counters. When I learned the combinations of 10, I could add a lot faster. Yeah, there are a lot of ways to make 10, but you only have to remember half of them. A lot of number sentences use the same numbers. So if you know 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, then you know 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. When you memorize ways to make 10, you can solve some tricky number sentences quickly. What's the missing number? Right, 6 and 4 make a 10. I know the missing number is 7 because 7 and 3 make 10. How can knowing combinations of 10 help you subtract? A fact family is a set of facts that uses the same numbers. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. They're a part of the same fact family. You can use the addition sentences to help you subtract. Well, I have 10 counting cubes in all, but if I take off 1, I have 9 left. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. If I start with 10 counting cubes and take away 9, I'll have 1 left. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. The subtraction sentences are part of the same fact family. You can use a number triangle to help you understand related facts. It's useful to know the different ways to make 10. I use flashcards to help me remember them. What do you do, Moby? Good idea. You made up a song.
Which we know lots of counting songs and we sing and things like that too to help us. Yep. Okay, before we get started, I want to show you guys something fun that I added to the Canvas page. So if you look on the Canvas page, I added this picture right here. So you see like a clock and cubes and things. If you click on it, it'll take you here. You can see Vinny and Ginger laying down. You can click on the clock and you can practice time, or you can click on these blocks and you can build. If I can get here, you can build with these blocks like this. So if you guys have time and you want to play around on it, you can go to the Canvas page and you can click on this picture here and it'll let you play with some stuff. So that's something you guys can do if you have time. All right.
Hey, Miss Toby.
Yes.
What you said you gave me an idea.
What? What idea was it?
You already showed us the stuff.
Oh, okay. Good idea.
Yeah, it's really a good idea plan.
Well, thank you, Zane.
Miss Toby.
So, different ways to add, right?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, I'm so glad, right? Okay, look here. We can make 10 by using a 10 frame, right? We can use doubles plus 1 and doubles plus 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 is 1 more, so it's 13. 8 is 2 more, so it's 14, right? You can add some more on there. We can also count up with our hands, our fingers, or we can use a number line. Now, here's the thing. One of you guys might like the number line better. Somebody else might like the 10 frame better. Does that matter? No. You need to use what works best for you, okay? That's what you need to do. Use what you like the best. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We practiced drawing 10 frames yesterday, remember? Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a rectangle.
Okay, type anything.
Yes, you're going to draw a rectangle. Okay, then you're going to draw a line in the middle, like that. So a rectangle with a line through the middle. And then you're going to go 1, 2, 3.
Miss Toby.
Yes.
Are we supposed to write that?
Yep, you're drawing this right now. So you're going to draw a rectangle, a line through the middle, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. How many, show me with your fingers, how many boxes should a 10 frame have? How many? 10. 10, 10, 10. You should have 10. Should you have 8? No, you should have 10. 10. 5 on top, 5 on the bottom, because 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 and 5. Give me a thumbs up, pencils up. Something's up when you're done with that one. I know you're ready. So when you have 5 on top, 5 on the bottom. Good job. Okay, so now here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to write 6 plus 6 equals. 6 plus 6 equals. Now, normally I say pick the bigger number, right? But this is a doubles. We don't have a bigger number, do we? So we're going to start with 6. So draw 6 circles in your 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw 6 circles in your 10 frame. Okay, now, we use this number. Show me with your fingers how many more we need to draw. Show me with your fingers how many more that we need to draw on here. 6. 6, 6, 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw triangles. Ready? 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Let me know when you did that. Let me know when you're done with that part. Thumbs up, pencils up. You can give me ears, whatever you want to do. Let me know when you're done with that. Good job. Okay, now, we know that this has 10 in it, right? 10. How many, show me with your fingers, how many are on the outside of the 10 frame? Show me with your fingers. How many? 2. So we're going to write 10 plus 2 equals. 10 plus 2 equals. Okay, so we know this is 10, 11, 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now, here's the thing. Didn't we put 6 circles in here and then 6 triangles? So if that equals 12, what is this one then? 12, right? Because it's the same. 6 plus 6 is 12, and so is 10 plus 2. We use 6 circles and 6 triangles. It makes 12. Very good. Okay. Now, here's what I'll let you guys do. You guys can use the same 10 frame if you want to use it, just erase the stuff out of it, or we can always make a new one, okay? But if you just want to erase the stuff out of your old one, you can just erase the stuff out of your old one, okay? That's up to you. I'm going to just erase here. So I cleaned my 10 frame out. If you want to make a new 10 frame, you can totally do that though. So if you want to make a new 10 frame, that's fine. You make a rectangle and a line, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We know a 10 frame has 10 boxes, okay? Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to write 7 plus 2 equals 7 plus 2. Show me with your fingers what's bigger, 7 or 2? 7 or 2? 7 or 2? What's bigger? 7 or 2? 7. We're going to draw 7 circles. Seven circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we did 7 circles. Now show me with your finger how many more we have to add with your fingers. How many more? How many more do we need to draw? How many more? 2. 2 more. We're going to draw 2 triangles. 1 triangle, 2 triangle. 1, 2. So now we're going to look at our 10 frame. We know the top has 5, doesn't it? 5 on the top. 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Part, whole. 9 is your sum, your answer. It's your big daddy number, right? These 2 are your add-ins because you add them together, right? Good job. Okay, if you want to keep your 10 frame, you can just erase the stuff in your 10 frame. All right, remember if you want to do your 10 frame, you do a rectangle and a line, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Okay, I want you to write 8 plus 5 equals. Right, 8 plus 5 equals. Now, show me with your fingers what's bigger, 8 or 5? What's bigger, 8 or 5? 8 or 5? 8. Very good. Let's draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Miss Toby,
Yes.
do we make a new 10 frame?
If you want to make a new 10 frame, you can. And if you just want to use your old one.
Miss Toby,
Yes.
I ran out of paper.
Okay, then you can just do it with us in your head, okay? That's fine.
I
All
knew
right.
that.
Okay, we have 8, right? Show me with your fingers how many more we need to add. How many more do we need to add? 5. We're going to draw 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. Okay, we have 10. Show me with your fingers how many are on the outside. How many are on the outside? How many? 3. I want you to write 10 plus 3 equals. So we know this is 10, 11, 12, 13. So here's the thing. We drew 8 and we drew 5, right? So if that's 13, what is this one? 13. They're both 13, right? They're both 13. We just made a group of 10 is all. They're both 13. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to have you stand up. We're going to play a game. We're going to play a little game. Okay, now we talk about true and false, right? True means it's correct. 2 plus 2 is 4, right? That's true. False means it's not right. False means it's wrong. 2 plus 2 is not 5. That's false, right? So if it's true, you're going to give me thumbs up like this. And if it's false and it's wrong, you're going to go, no way. Okay? So if it's right and it's true, thumbs up. But if it's wrong, no way, false, right? But here's the thing. You guys have to do the math fact and figure it out, okay? What if I told you the math fact, 2 plus 3 is 7? 2 plus 3 equals 7. If it's true, correct, you're going to give me thumbs up. But if it's false and it's wrong, I don't think so. 2 plus 3 equals 7. Let's see. No way. No way. Show me with your fingers what is 2 plus 3. What is the answer? What's the sum? What is the answer of 2 plus 3? 5. It's 5, right? Okay, what about 0 plus 1 equals 1? 0 plus 1 equals 1. True. Anything plus 0 stays the same. Okay, let's do, I'm going to give you guys a bigger one, okay? 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Yep, it's true. It's a double. Good job. 5 plus 5 is 11. 5 plus 5 equals 11. 5 plus 5 equals 11. No way, Jose, it does not. Show me with your fingers. What is 5 plus 5? It's not 11. It is not. It's 10. You guys are so smart. I'm going to give you a minus. Ooh. 6 minus 3 equals 0. 6 take away or minus 3 equals 0. 6 minus 3 take away 3 equals 0. No way, Jose. It does not. Show me with your fingers. What is 6 minus 3? What is it? Show me. What is it? 3. If I have 6 and I go 1, 2, 3, I'm left with 3. What about 12 minus 0 equals 12? So 12 take away 0 equals 12. I'm liking your movements, guys. You're doing a good job. Yes, 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 because anything plus or minus 0 stays the same. All right, what if I do 10 plus 2 equals 15? 10 plus 2 equals 15. What do you think? 10 plus 2 equals 15. No way. No, it does not. Let's use our fist. Ready? Make a fist. We're going to do 10 with our fist. Hold up 2. 10, 11, 12. It's 12. You guys are so smart. We're going to do one more. You ready? 7 plus 7 equals 14.
Miss Toby,
Yes.
how many things are we going to do before this meeting's over?
Well, see, make sure you raise your hand, remember? 7 plus 7 is 14.
I got a kid.
All right, let's see. Yes, 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 it is. It is 14. You guys can sit down. Good job. Okay, perfect. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna practice some number lines. We haven't done those in a while. Okay. These shapes off the board, circles, triangles, numbers. Okay, get them off. Okay, ready? I want you guys to draw a line, right? Make a number line, 2 arrows at the end, 1 on each side. We have an open, empty number line, don't we? Now, I want you to shake your head yes or no if it's a doubles, yes or no? 7 plus 7, is that a doubles? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're gonna start with 7 because they're the same, aren't they? So let's start with 7. Now, we already used this 7, didn't we? So now we have to use this 7, don't we? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna draw our skippies on top. Right? So 7 lines and draw your skips on top. Give me a thumb or a pencil or paper or something up when you're done with that one. Let me know when you're done with that one. You can wave it around. You can give yourself a unicorn horn, whatever you want to do. So let me know when you're done with that one. Good job, Branson. I see you're ready. Let's see. Good job. Okay, now we have to count by ones, don't we? So we have 7, 8.
Miss Toby, 7 plus 7 is 14.
Good. Yes, you're right, Brantley. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Your sum or your answer is 14. 14. Now, Brantley knew that was 14 because he knows his doubles facts. If you know your doubles facts, it's easy peasy, right? That's why we want to practice these. We want to memorize these in our brain, don't we? We want to memorize these. Yes, Emma?
I knew what it was.
Good job. A lot of you know your doubles facts. You're good at those. So 14. Now, I'm going to teach you guys.
Miss Toby,
Yes, Brantley?
7 plus 6 is 21.
Nope, look here. So look here. If 7 plus 7 is 14, take 1 away and you get 13.
13.
Right?
Miss Toby.
Yes.
8 plus 8 equals 16. 7 plus 7.
Yes. Very good.
Miss
Okay,
Toby.
guys, ready?
Miss Toby.
Yes. Is that Zane talking to me?
Yeah.
What's up, Zane?
I know 10 plus 10 is 20.
10 plus 10 is 20. You guys are so smart. Yes, Brantley?
Whoops. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21.
Yes. When did you guys get so smart? Okay. Well, I'm going to teach you guys a trick. Are you ready? Get ready for this trick I'm going to teach you? Okay. So we talk about tens a lot, don't we? Right? So if I did 10 plus 3, I want you to write that down. Write 10 plus 3 down. 10 plus 3. I'm going to show you guys an easy peasy trick, okay? Watch what I'm going to do. Are you ready? You're looking? See this 1? I'm going to steal it. I'm going to steal it, and I'm going to bring it down here. And then The other number we're adding, I'm going to steal that number, and I'm going to bring it down here next to it. What is it? 13. I said, give me that group of 10. Boom. I took it down here. And then I took the one we're adding, and I put it in the ones. So then it's 13. Right? Let's do another one, okay? Let's do 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7. Okay, so I'm going to look at this 10, and I'm going to steal its group of 10. We're going to take that 1, and we're going to bring it down here, aren't we? And then I'm going to take that 7 we're adding, and I'm going to bring it next to it. So what is that? 17! Okay, what about this one? 10 plus 3. I'm going to steal that 1, and I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to steal that 3, and I'm going to put it over here. And what is it? 13. Easy peasy, isn't it? Look at that easy peasy trick. I'm going to give you one to do by yourself. Let's see if you can do it. 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. Let's see if you can do it without using your fingers. Let's see if you can do the trick I told you. Remember, you have to steal from you got to steal from the numbers. Okay, so if I steal the 1 and I put the 1 over here and I steal the 8 and I put the 8 next to it, what is it? 18. You guys are so smart. Woohoo! Give yourself a round of applause. Give yourself a round of applause. Good job. All right, you guys are, I'm going to turn the light on so you can see me better. Hold on. There we go. Okay, now I'm not so dark. Okay, so yes.
I know what a billion plus 7 is. A billion and 7.
Yes, good job. Okay, remember you guys are going to do your Canvas and your Savvis. And if you guys want, you can get on and you can play on that math thing I added onto my page if you want to play on that.
Miss Toby.
14 plus 15. Yes. You guys
what you just showed us? The thing you just showed us, if you clicked it, you see.
Yeah. If you click on that one, you can play with stuff on it. So yeah, if you want to go down there and you can do that too, okay? You guys did awesome.
My mom's that.
What?
What?